A. General. Branch circuits recognized by this article shall be permitted as multi-wire circuits. A multi-wire circuit shall be permitted to be considered as multiple circuits, except as permitted in 300.3 B.4. All conductors of a multi-wire branch circuit shall originate from the equipment containing the branch circuit overcurrent protective device or protective devices. Informational note No. 1. A three-phase, four-wire, Y-connected power system used to supply power to nonlinear loads might necessitate that the power system design allow for the possibility of high harmonic currents on the neutral conductor. Informational note No. 2. See 300.13 B for continuity of grounded conductors on multi-wire circuits. B. Disconnecting means. Each multi-wire branch circuit shall be provided with a means that will simultaneously disconnect all ungrounded conductors at the point where the branch circuit originates. Informational note. See 240.15 B for information on the use of single-pole circuit breakers as the disconnecting means. See line-to-neutral loads. Multi-wire branch circuits shall supply only line-to-neutral loads. Exception No. 1. A multi-wire branch circuit that supplies only one utilization equipment shall be permitted to supply line-to-line loads. Exception No. 2. A multi-wire branch circuit shall be permitted to supply line-to-line loads if all ungrounded conductors of the multi-wire branch circuit are opened simultaneously by the branch circuit overcurrent device. D. Grouping. The ungrounded and grounded circuit conductors of each multi-wire branch circuit shall be grouped in accordance with 200.4 B.